Paving blocks can be laid in a variety of patterns, so choose the one you like and think about where you're going to use it. The stretcher pattern places blocks in straight lines with each row slightly offset to the next. The design is great for curb, pathways and patio areas. The herringbone pattern is laid from the corner with bricks at right angles to each other. Each block interlocks, creating a strong structure which is ideal for driveways and areas which take a lot of wear. The Basketweave design is created by placing 2 horizontally laid bricks followed by 2 vertically laid bricks. It's a great looking design which is not ideal for driveways but is perfect in a courtyard, garden or patio. A header or border is a row of vertically laid bricks, also known as a simple stack pattern, around the outside of your design, which is cemented into place and holds your bricks in position. It works very well with a Basketweave design. Test out your designs by dry laying a few and seeing which you prefer, and ask in store for more information.